Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're going over our fried fish and scrimps and also our little nice tasty salad here. We have a nice blue cheese assorted salad that we had made to go along with this nice healthy meal, everybody. We promised we was going to bring you healthy, and now we're bringing you healthy. You know, it always depends on, like, how you make your fried fish, everybody, okay? And, you know, the salad, anyway, we're going to be healthy on this segment. We're going to share the recipe to the cornmeal after this part right here. You guys are going to see the recipe and the directions on how to do this. This is how we do it, everybody. This is very simple. You do everything in separated bowls, like, you know, you do the dipping of the flour and the eggs and stuff like that. You want to have this nice, perfect texture. The flour is what makes your texture not so, cornmeal is grainy. Yeah, you know how it gets stuck in your teeth and all. Yeah, exactly. So this is like a smooth texturized type of, coating that we use for our fish when we do ours here at Mama Soul Kitchen. Now, you don't want to be embarrassed, because if you invite people over to the house, they're going to talk about you like a dog if it ain't done right. So this is the way to do it. Follow us on YouTube for a lot more, everybody. We have a lot more recipes to share. And just to share with you guys, we have our Mama Soul Kitchen cookbook, everybody, from healthy to good old greasy, nice Southern soul food style. And we have a Just Desserts child for just desserts only. Go over there and check it out at Amazon.com. Order yours today.